Hello YouTube. Let's learn how to use OS module and walk method to find subdirectories into primary directory. So we are not searching for files, not even for specific extension of our files. We are searching only for subdirectories. You are creating some kind of report, listing, exporting to database, to external file, something like that. Anyway, so we need subdirectories. Let's import OS because we need it. We cannot do this, well, at least in this case, without OS module. Let's define target, which will be C Python 37, 32 in my case. And now what? OS walk will return us a lot of data, big listing, but we don't need everything, so we are just trying to extract subdirectories. We're gonna do that through couple of for loops, through combination of for loops. So for root, primary directory, and the directories and files in OS walk. We need to do this if we wanna grab that big result. And that's what for loop serves here. So let's pass target to OS walk, and then check this out. For specific entry abstract x in directories, we will print that specific x. And now when I run our script, if I didn't mess something totally, I will see pile of subfolders here. And as you may notice, there are a couple of them double entries. So are there actually double entries or they are unique entries? So let's check that. Let's find out first couple of sames. Okay, 3 folders by cache. Let's define their actual location, and then we will confirm are they equal or they're just are they unique or they are copy basically. So to do that we will need to print root, so primary path to them, to that subfolders, plus x, and let's see what's happening. So we have our results. Let's wait for a second to find out that first 3. Okay, so yeah, I have that problem. I didn't include a slash. I need to do that here. So plus // because we are on Windows, and that will solve the problem. But let's go to PyCache. Okay, so first one is in lib, and then one is in this folder, subfolder, and third one is in collections. So let's fix these slashes here. Okay, so that's fixed, and let's manually confirm do we actually have this folder. So open lib PyCache, there you go, that's the one. Cool. This one, Asuncio, something like that. PyCache, nice. So don't search for files, okay, don't confuse yourself, search for folders. And collections, PyCache, and there you go, that's about it. So we have a working solution. And yet another one, test in C types, so lib C types and test, there you go. So that's about it, the thing works. So let's go through this example once more. We need to use OS walk, and of course we need to employ OS module. You will get it with default Python installation. OS walk needs parameter, which will be target. You can grab it from variable here, or from you can hard code it, just copy paste this here. and this command here will give us a lot of results, path, subdirectories, and bunch of files, and we don't need in this first pass of for loop we don't need root, we don't need dirs, we don't need files, we are just grabbing dirs. So in second for loop, for every entry in dirs we are printing full path to there. So now you can export this into a textual file, and you can pass it to some kind of database. I don't know what you're trying to do, but it looks nice. So anyway, let's export this to file. Let's open one report. So only subdirs, dubdirs, yeah, genius, txt, and we will write to that file. So let's close it, close, and we will substitute print with file write, and after we are done we will add new line here, because we need to do that. If you don't do that, then all results will be on same line, and that line will be long. So like a railway in Russia, we don't need that here. Okay, we want line after line in the results. So what am I doing? Let's save and run our thing. And because there is no printing on a screen, the script runs really fast. So let's check our results. Only subdirs. Okay. So that's nice. First slash is fine. No doubling. Cool. Yeah, fancy stuff. I think it's cool. Anyway, you can check me on this, of course. It's always good to check someone when you are messing with programming and numbers and finances, definitely. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching, thank you for subscription and support, and see you next tutorial.